In continuation with the construction of central lathe machine, in which we have learned about various parts involved in central lathe machine, now we are going to understand the basic operations which are to be performed or can be performed in central lathe machine. So here we can see this is our raw material, which is in the form of a solid rod, and the material of the rod is mild steel. So we have to perform various operations in this mild steel rod using central lathe machine. Particularly here we have took this rod of diameter 50 mm. Now coming to the operations, when this rod is fixed up in the chuck, this portion, one portion of the rod is fixed in chuck, which I have showed in the construction or in the parts of the central lathe machine. After holding this rod, then using the tool we perform various operations on this rod. First of all, here you can see this is the operation which is known as simple or plain turning. In this portion we remove a layer over the rod. From this particular raw material we remove a layer and we decrease its diameter. So in this we finish the outer surface of this particular rod, and this process is known as simple or plain turning. One operation you can see in this cross section area of this rod, we have finished its cross sectional part, and this portions, the removal of this layer from this portion is known as facing. In the case of facing, the length of the rod is reduced whenever a layer above it is removed. So you can see the difference in these two particular portions, and this operation is known as, this portion is known as face of this rod, and the operation performed is known as facing. Coming to our next operation, this portion, here you can see again a layer above this rod is removed, but in a separate manner. Here one end of the rod consists of less diameter and other end has greater diameter. So this slant portion, this is known as taper, and the operation performed is known as taper turning. Here you can see the diameter of the rod is again reduced, but in a different manner, such that the diameter is regularly keep on reducing in steps, or we can say the diameter is continuously increasing in steps. So this operation in which we increase or decrease diameter in steps is known as step turning. Similarly, here one more operation you can see. This portion we have a groove. This is known as groove, and the operation to be performed is known as grooving. So this is also an operation performed in central lathe machine. Again, this operation we are all familiar with it. Generally in screws and nuts we have seen this operation. This is known as threading. These are known as threads, and the operation performed here is known as threading. At the last, this operation where a diamond pattern is created on the surface of the rod in order to have a tight grip for holding it. This particular pattern helps anyone to hold it tightly and give a good grip. So this process is known as knurling. This operation is knurling operations. So I have showed you here various operations which are separately shown, and finally we come to this workpiece which is to be prepared on the central lathe machine using tools, and here all the operations which I have showed you separately are being built up in this particular workpiece. So this is our final objective of this shop which we have to perform. You can see it, all the operations are performed here, and finally this workpiece is prepared. Now I will show you how these particular operations are being performed on the center lathe machine practically.